Welcome back to Car Wow 787, the go-to destination for in-depth car reviews, upcoming automotive tech, and all things on four wheels. Whether you're a passionate car enthusiast, a gearhead, or just someone who appreciates smart engineering, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The rebirth of an icon of the Subaru 360, now reimagined for the year 2026. Yes, you heard that right. Subaru is bringing back the beloved 360, a nameplate that has long held legendary status in the history of Japanese automobiles. Originally launched in 1958, the Subaru 360 was Japan's first mass-produced car and affectionately nicknamed the Ladybug for its rounded shape. Now in 2026, Subaru has decided to revive this classic with a modern twist, combining retro aesthetics with futuristic technology. So, let's break it all down: a design, performance, features, pricing, and whether this modern remake lives up to the legacy. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the 2026 Subaru 360 pays clear homage to its predecessor. The rounded body, oval headlights, and compact form instantly remind you of the 1960s classic. But there's nothing old about the materials or build quality. The new 360 is crafted from lightweight aluminum and advanced composites that improve both strength and efficiency. The car maintains a charming retro appearance while incorporating aerodynamic enhancements like subtle air channels and integrated LED lighting. The front fascia has been modernized with a slim, backlit Subaru badge and futuristic LED matrix headlamps that retain the original round design. On the side, we see flared fenders, a two-tone paint scheme, and flush-mounted door handles that pop out electronically. Around back, the tail section includes a minimalist rear diffuser and a small integrated spoiler. All these elements combine old-school style with a futuristic flair. Inside, the Subaru 3602026 is a marvel. The dashboard takes cues from the original, featuring round analog-inspired digital gauges. But this isn't your grandfather's dashboard. It includes a digital driver's display, a central infotainment screen powered by Subaru's latest Starlink interface, and full smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seating arrangement remains cozy and upright, a true-to-car traditional, but materials are anything but basic. Premium recycled textiles, vegan leather trim, and brushed aluminum give the cabin an upscale feel. Mood lighting and a panoramic glass roof elevate the experience, making even a short trip enjoyable. What's under the hood? Or rather, what's under the floor? Because the 2026 Subaru 360 is fully electric. That's right. This retro-inspired marvel is packing a compact but efficient electric powertrain. Subaru has equipped the 360 with a 28 kWh lithium-ion battery pack paired with a single front-mounted electric motor. It produces around 85 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque. While those numbers might not sound massive, remember that this car weighs just under 950 kilograms. It's peppy, agile, and built for urban environments. Acceleration from 0 to 60 km per hour takes just under 6 seconds, and not bad for a class electric vehicle. The range? Subaru claims up to 250 km on a single charge under the WLTP cycle. That's more than enough for city commutes and short highway trips. Plus, the car supports fast charging, allowing 80% battery top-up in just 35 minutes at a compatible station. For home charging, it takes about 5 to 6 hours using a level 2 charger. When it comes to handling and ride quality, the 360 continues to surprise. Its small size, low center of gravity, and responsive steering make it incredibly fun to drive in tight spaces. Subaru's engineers have added a specially tuned suspension that smooths out rough city roads without sacrificing handling. There's also a reg braking system with customizable levels, letting you choose between aggressive deceleration or coasting modes. And now, let's look at the tech features. Subaru didn't hold back here. The 360 includes a head-up display, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Yes, a 360 and a 360. There's also blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and Subaru's proprietary driver focus system that uses facial recognition to detect drowsiness or distraction. In terms of connectivity, you get dual USB-C ports, Bluetooth 5.2, over-the-air software updates, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. There's also voice assistant integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support. Let's not forget the audio. Subaru has partnered with Harman Kardon to offer an 8-speaker premium audio system that delivers surprisingly rich sound for such a small car. Whether you're cruising through the city or parked and relaxing, the 360 makes every moment enjoyable. Storage and practicality might be a concern for some, but Subaru has thought this through. Despite its compact size, the 360 offers clever interior storage options. There's a frunk under the hood for small items, foldable rear seats for added cargo room, and multiple smart compartments inside the cabin. Now let's talk interior safety. Being a modern electric vehicle, the Subaru 3602026 meets all global safety standards. It comes with 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, stability control, and Subaru's EyeSight safety suite. Crash test results haven't been published yet, but the structure and safety tech suggest solid protection. So, who is this car for? It's perfect for urban dwellers, first-time EV buyers, students, retirees, or anyone who wants an easy-to-drive, low-maintenance vehicle with personality. It's also a statement car, a way to stand out without shouting. It's retro cool meets modern practicality. Now let's talk numbers. The price for the Subaru 3602026 is expected to start around $19,000, making it one of the most affordable electric vehicles on the market. With available government EV incentives, that cost could drop even further, depending on your location. Ownership costs are also low. With minimal maintenance required, affordable charging, and high efficiency, it's a wallet-friendly daily driver. Plus, Subaru is offering a 5-year battery warranty and 8-year drivetrain warranty, giving buyers peace of mind. There will be 3 trims available: base model, essentials, and affordability. Premium, enhanced features like upgraded audio, alloys, and heated seats. Limited edition, retro badges, unique color options, and exclusive interior touches. Each version will have the same electric drivetrain, so performance remains consistent across the range. Let's also touch on customization. Subaru plans to launch an accessories line for the 360, including roof racks, custom decals, interior mood light kits, and even vintage-themed wheel covers. Owners can truly make the 360 their own. In terms of competition, the 2026 Subaru 360 is set to rival cars like the Honda E, Fiat 500e, and the Mini Electric. While all these models offer great features, none carry the nostalgia and character of the 360. That's a major selling point. The Subaru 3602026 represents a bold move by Subaru, reviving a cultural icon and reinventing it for the EV age. It shows that you can have charm, practicality, and sustainability all wrapped up in one delightful package. It's a nod to the past with eyes set firmly on the future. So, what do we think? If you're looking for a small EV that breaks away from the cookie-cutter designs out there, delivers on tech, comfort, and personality, and stays easy on the budget, the Subaru 3602026 might just be your perfect match. And that's a wrap on our full review of the Subaru 3602026. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting and nostalgic EV releases of the year. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and don't forget to ring that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car reviews and auto industry updates. Got questions, thoughts, or memories of the original Subaru 360? Drop them in the comments, so we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your batteries charged.